Hello everybody. This video is about um, arguments of a class and how do we put a structure to an argument, and if anybody passes irregular arguments, how do we control that and make a separate class for that, and how do we inherit that into a child class to control the child class attributes. So why to wait? Let's try jump in. There you go. I just opened up my terminal. Now I'll just make one I made one Python file. So now vim is open. Let's keep the execution path. Awesome. So this is a class where so this is where we do everything. Structure. So what I'll do is I'll create one class arguments, and after that let's instantiate a class and pass an argument. So this will handle all sort of positional based arguments very well. This is star args. Now so let's put our controls here. If length of a fun self dot fields is equal to length of a self dot args. No, it's args, not length of args, not self. Right. If these two lengths are fine, that means, so what are we passing into the fields that should be required from the child class, and what we have passed through the arguments, star args, both are equal. If these are equal, then what I have to do is for now what I'll do is I'll just print out some random text saying okay, making it now we are good with class creation. Fantastic. Right now we have created that. Now we have to create an else class for that. For example, if this argument is not matching, then raise attribute error and pass okay. Now format this text with filling gaps. That's one is class name itself, comma, length of self dot underscore fields, comma, length of args. Fantastic. Now we're good. Now this is enough. This is structure that we have. Let's make one sample class. I think what I can do is I can make a class as a point. So generally point, we will inherit the structure class into this one. And now Okay, something is wrong here. It says that ended in end a, and keep that perfect. Yeah, perfect. Now this is perfect, right? Right, we don't have any errors for that now. And in the point structure, as we all know, that when you create a child class, the field name should be exactly the same like a parent class. That's a given thing. Now I'll pass. So every point will have to x value and y value in the geometry. So we have given that too. Now we instantiate this class with this and we'll pass star arguments, which, and again we should instantiate our parent classes also, which is super. If these two are perfect and these two are working fine, then you are awesome. Everything is beautiful now. So this is working. If this superclass is successful, then it comes to the next line, and if that's the case, I will just do this print successfully. Right, let's invoke them. Now p is equal to point, so we have to pass. I just did 12, 19. These are 2 points there. Let us see if it executes successfully. Awesome. Now, so let's see. In the it went to superclass first, and then it have printed first line argument conditions are meeting. Now we are good with the class creation. That's in a superclass, which is a structure class. And then what we did, we went to this child class and we have printed the arguments, yes. And now class is created successfully here. Right, let's jump in and we can explain it how it is working. So now this superclass has been invoked, and when these fields which is there in the child class has been passed to this structure class variable fields, and now the arguments has been passed also from the superclass init star args, and length has been successfully checked. Everything here, it's it's meeting the conditions perfectly well, so we printed this one. In case, for example, you give one more variable which is not there in the point class, now what happens, it gives you an attribute error which I've written there in the else class, saying class structure expecting arguments 2 but received 3. Beautifully working. This is as simple as it goes, and thanks for tuning in, and so